that you feel is right.
Fish kid. Which chief key? How did you actually type like the same word twice when you were just hitting the keyboard? Wee wee! Ifumochi!
It's just a language.
Better when it's louder.
Oh, did I use caps?
Yeah, okay, I'm going back into the caps. It's even louder now. Ijawaja! Goof! Who's down for gotcha goof? I just asked you a question in a weird language. Do you like pie? Kitashka!
I think that's actually Russian. I'm pretty sure.
Oh wow, this one's pretty impressive. It's like FDS.
It's not funny anymore now.
Like
it's not funny anymore. No!
Ijawajaja! No, I'm just using your own words, man.
That's my favorite one.
Ijawajaja!
It's like your Jar Jar Binks.
Thick Ouija. No. I don't even know. Ijawajaja!